Welcome guys. Today we have a Heald 273A. This machine is wired for 480 volts. We're just gonna get started off with our hydraulics. As you know, this machine does sit on a bed of oil, causing it to move freely, essentially with either the hand wheel, as you can see, or if I pulled it out, I could go ahead and easily pull it with my hands and then push it forward. Just like that. Up front, we do have our multi-phase stop right here that you can go ahead and swivel around for different heights. Off in the back right here, we do have the sine bar attachment along with a multi-stop as well over here. And then this whole head can go ahead and swivel if you'd like all the way to a 90-degree over there. I'm going to go ahead and start both our wheel head and our work head. First with the work head. Variable speed up to 500 RPMs. That's full speed. And then we'll bring it back down. Just a little bit, and then we'll start our main spindle. There are different spindles that you can attach to this machine. If you'd like something different, you feel free to reach out. We might be able to help you out. And then when you're ready, you could go ahead and start your machine. This machine is going to feed all the way down to 0. It does have a fine feed aspect to it. Right over here, that's where it's indicated. You can change your coarse feed with this lever right here. And then this one right here is going to be for your fine feed. This right here is going to go ahead and pick for you. That's only when the machine's not running. And when this feeds down to 0, it will still go back and forth. You more or less just want to tell it to pop on over and hit the switch on the back, which I'll demonstrate just very shortly. So now that we're closer down to our fine feed, we should be feeding in just a little bit at a time. So once you're essentially at your 0, the machine will no longer feed, and that's when you'd like to go ahead and press up on this lever so you can see your dog go right over. And then it'll go ahead to a fine stop. And with this cover on, this rail will go ahead and talk to this limit switch, turning off our work head. So we can go ahead and grab our part, load up a new one, and let it go. So I'm going to go ahead and let that go, and you can see the truck gets turned on. So I'm going to go back over to the manual setting so I can push this down so you can have a look at the waves. As I mentioned, I took the cover off so you could see how nice the waves are, filled up with oil, super smooth. Go ahead, push it while you're down there. Coolant tank in the back, wired in with the machine. And you could also change the direction of your ID spindle right here to either go forward or reverse. And this is basically going to wrap it up for this machine over here. Oh, one more thing, this is going to be the dresser for it. And this machine is sitting on 4-inch risers all the way around. Right over here on this bed, that, and along with the motor right here. So again, this is going to be the Heald 273A wired for 480 volts. Thank you very much.